Hey Joplin, ever feel that tickle in your nose and think, oh no, a sneeze is coming? Welcome to Vital Signs Vlog. Today, we're busting myths about sneezing. Should you hold it in or let it out? Spoiler, sneezing's good for you, but holding it in, not so much. Let's dive into 3 key tips to sneeze smart and stay healthy. And if allergies or infections hit, visit us at 320 South Geneva. Ready? Let's go! Sneezing's your body's superhero, moved to kick out irritants like dust, pollen, or germs. But trying to hold it in during a meeting or at Joplin summer festivals, it's tempting, but can cause trouble. At AFC Urgent Care Joplin, we're here to keep your sinuses happy with walk-in care, open 8 to 8 weekdays and 8 to 5 weekends. Here's how to sneeze the right way and stay healthy. Tip 1. Let that sneeze out safely. A sneeze rockets out at over 70 miles per hour, clearing irritants from your nose and lungs. Holding it in can push mucus into your ears, causing infections or even damage eardrums. In rare cases, it might spike our pressure or burst tiny blood vessels. So let it rip. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or sneeze into your elbow to stop germs from spreading at the Joplin Farmers Market or family barbecues. Wash your hands and wipe surfaces after. Got an infection? Visit AFC Joplin for quick care. Tip 2. Ease the sneeze urge the smart way. Can't stop sneezing from pollen at Wildcat Park? Avoid triggers like dust or pet dander, and try saline nasal sprays to soothe your nose. Antihistamines can help with allergies. Our nurse practitioners at AFC Joplin can recommend the right ones. Stay hydrated and use a humidifier to keep nasal passages moist. Deep breathing or humming can also calm that sneeze tickle. If allergies or sinus issues persist, walk into AFC at 320 South Geneva for expert help. Tip 3. Know when to get checked. Sneezing's great for clearing irritants, but if it's constant or paired with symptoms like ear pain, sinus congestion, or fever, it could signal an infection or allergy flare-up. At AFC Urgent Care Joplin, we can assess you, prescribe meds if needed, and get you back to enjoying Joplin summer vibes. Walk in any day, 8 to 8 weekdays, or 8 to 5 weekends. For severe symptoms like trouble hearing or intense sinus pain, come see us or call 417-526-4232. Joplin, sneeze smart and stay healthy. Let those sneezes out. Cover up and keep allergies in check. Need help with sneezing woes or sinus trouble? AFC Urgent Care Joplin at 320 South Geneva is your go-to for fast, friendly care. Like, subscribe, and share your sneeze stopping tips in the comments. Stay well, and we'll see you soon. If you are feeling under the weather, you can walk into American Family Care Joplin 7 days a week with no appointment to get a diagnosis. We will have you feeling better and back on your feet fast. AFC Urgent Care Joplin, located off 3rd and Rangeline behind Starbucks. American Family Care, the right care, right now.